Hello guys, welcome to Max Math Games School of Olympiad. In this section we discuss different questions asked in different Olympiads all over the world, and this one was asked in India. So the question of the day is find all non-negative integral solutions of this equation, and the equation is xy minus 7 whole square is equals to x square plus y square. Pause the video if you want to give this question a try and then resume the video when you want to check out the solution. Alright, so now let us get started with the solution. So now the first thing that we want to do in questions such as these is to express this expression in the terms of squares. Okay, so I want to merge these two quantities, that is x square plus y square, in the terms of something like x plus y whole square, and hence the left hand side will be x square into y square plus 49 minus 14 into x into y is equals to x square plus y square. Then adding the quantity plus 2xy on both these sides, we get that x square y square minus 12 into x into y plus 36 plus 13 is equals to x plus y whole square, and hence the left hand side will now become xy minus 6 whole square plus 13 is equals to x plus y whole square. So now what we can do is we can take the two squared quantities, that is this quantity and this quantity, and we can apply the formula a square minus b square on the same. So then we will have xy minus 6 whole square minus x plus y whole square is equals to minus 13. So this will give us xy minus 6 minus x minus y into xy minus 6 plus x plus y is equals to minus of 13, and from there we will now have to analyze this equation. Now our question reduces to this equation. So because x and y are given to be non-negative integers, and hence this quantity is going to be the larger quantity and this quantity is going to be the smaller quantity, and the product of the smaller and the larger quantity will give you the answer as minus 13. So now the two cases arises. Either it can be minus 13 into 1, so this is the smaller quantity, this is the larger quantity, or it could be minus 1 into 13, that is the smaller quantity multiplied by the larger quantity. Now let us take this as case 1 and this as case 2. So solving case number 1, we get that xy minus 6 minus x plus y is equals to minus 13, and xy minus 6 plus x plus y is equals to 1. So solving these two equations, we will get that x plus y equals to 7 and x into y is equals to 0. So these equations will give you the final answer as either 7, 0 for the values of x and y, or 0, 7 for the values of x and y, and hence these are the two possible answers from case number 1. Now similarly, let us now move on to case number 2. So for case number 2, we have that the smaller quantity xy minus 6 minus x plus y is equals to minus 1, and the larger quantity, that is xy minus 6 plus x plus y is equals to 13, and solving these two equations we can simply get that x plus y is equals to 7 and x into y is equals to 12, and it is extremely simple to solve these two equations. Thereby we will get that x comma y can be either 3 comma 4 or 4 comma 3, and hence these are the two solutions from case number 2, and these are the four possible solutions of x comma y And this is the answer to our question. I hope you have understood everything taught in this video. Thank you.